through the performance test. While completing the driving test, the first obstacle you will encounter is the straight line driving obstacle. To successfully complete this task, you must travel in a forward direction, accelerating through all of the gears without weaving, and come to a complete stop in a smooth and safe manner. Once you stop, a measurement from your bumper to the stop line will be taken. Once cleared, place your apparatus in reverse and complete the obstacle in reverse with a spotter, once again without weaving or hitting any cones. With the assistance of your spotter, you will stop at the end of the obstacle where another measurement will be taken. As you exit the cones, turn your apparatus to the left and locate your spotter again, who will guide you into the alley dock obstacle. Your spotter will guide you into the loading dock via a left turn, but it is your responsibility to ensure that you don't hit any obstructions and bring the apparatus to a complete stop in a smooth and safe manner when and where directed. Once you stop, a measurement from your bumper to the simulated loading dock will be taken, and you will be instructed to pull forward and turn right, where the procedure will be accomplished again, except with the loading dock on the right side. Keep in mind that the same rules apply. After the measurement is taken again, proceed out of the obstacle and turn right. Now you will head over to the serpentine obstacle. Pull past the obstacle with the cones on your right side. A spotter will back you up through the cones so that the apparatus is back to the left of cone number 1, to the right of cone number 2, the left of cone number 3, and stopped beyond the last cone. Once cleared by the spotter, you will proceed forward through the obstacle, passing cone number 3 on the right, cone number 2 on the left, and cone number 1 on the right side. You should avoid hitting any of the cones or penalty points will be assessed. Once the final cone is cleared, take a left and go to the opposite alley obstacle. Here you will simply proceed across a simulated road to the alley on the opposite side of the street. When performing this task, remember to obey all local laws, traffic signs, and local policies and procedures. Even if you are responding to an emergency, you do not have the right of way. You need to ensure that your apparatus and crew arrive safely at an emergency. Now that you are on the other side of our simulated road, pass through the cones and take a left, where you will find the diminishing clearance obstacle. The diminishing clearance obstacle will be on your left, so you'll have to maneuver the apparatus appropriately. Proceed from the wide end to the narrow end without touching the cones. Make sure you bring the apparatus to a complete stop in a smooth and safe manner when and where directed. If you encounter a vertical clearance crossbar, ensure you take that into account, as you may be required to stop before striking it. Once you've stopped at the finish line, a measurement will be taken. Then you will be directed to proceed through and to the left to accomplish this obstacle in reverse. This time, back your vehicle using spotters from the wide end to the narrow end without touching the cones. Make sure you bring the apparatus to a complete stop in a smooth and safe manner when and where directed. As before, once you have stopped at the finish line, a measurement will be taken. After taking the measurement, your spotter will back you out of the obstacle and to the right. After you stop, shift into the appropriate gear and head on over to the lane change obstacle. As you approach the lane change obstacle, ensure that you have a safe rate of speed and watch for your cues from the spotter for your required lane. Follow the flashcards and drive into the designated lane. Be sure to operate your vehicle safely and try not to hit any of the cones. As you come out of the obstacle, take a left turn and head to the final obstacle. Here you will find yourself at the confined space turnaround obstacle. Make sure you enter the obstacle through the designated area. Once inside, make a 3-point turn by safely maneuvering the vehicle. When backing up, make sure you use spotters and follow their directions. While in the obstacle, make sure you do not go outside the boundaries or strike any cones. When you have completed the three-point turn, exit through the same opening you entered and proceed back to the starting line.